In 2026, artificial intelligence is changing the way people make money online. The best part is that you don't need to be a programmer or tech expert to start earning. With the right AI tools and a little creativity, beginners can build online income streams from home. The first way to make money with AI is AI content writing. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content in seconds. Many businesses need content every day, and you can offer writing services on freelance platforms and get paid for each project. The second method is AI graphic design. Platforms like Canva have powerful AI features that allow you to create logos, social media posts, and marketing graphics very quickly. Even beginners can design professional-looking visuals and sell them to clients who need content for their brands. The third way is AI video creation. Video content is booming on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Tools such as Pictory can automatically turn text into videos with visuals and voiceovers. Many creators use these tools to run YouTube automation channels and generate income from ads and sponsorships. The fourth way to earn money with AI is selling services on freelance marketplaces. Platforms like Fiverr allow you to offer services such as AI content writing, AI image generation, or video creation. Clients from around the world are constantly looking for affordable and fast digital services. Finally, the fifth way is starting an AI-focused YouTube channel. You can create tutorials, reviews, and tips about new AI tools. As your audience grows, you can earn money through ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. Many creators are already building full online businesses around AI education.l.